Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage teams in LeadCenter. After logging in, click on your name in the upper right corner, go to Settings, and under Basic Settings, click on Teams to access the Team Management page. This opens the Teams page. If no teams have been created yet, you'll see a prompt to get started. Click the green Create Team button to add your first team. For example, let's say you want to organize your users into teams. You can create a team called Operations Team, another one called Marketing Team, and a third one for your advisors, named Advisors Team. Once your teams are created, click the three dots next to any team name to either edit the team or add users directly from the menu. For example, you might want to remove the word team from the names. From the three dots menu, you can also add users or delete the team. To add members, click the Add Users button. Just make sure those users already exist in the system. You can manage them from the Users page if needed. You can access the full Users page by clicking the green Users button. That will take you directly to where you manage user accounts. To return to the Teams page, just click the Teams button. That brings you back to your list of created teams. Now, let's add users to the Advisors team. Select the users, click Save, and do the same for the operations and marketing teams by assigning users to each group. A user can belong to multiple teams. This helps when assigning tasks across departments or managing group responsibilities. You can assign a task to either a specific user or to a team. This is how you manage and add teams in LeadCenter. Thank you.